We're here in the FrontierBoys cabin.
What's up?
Which, if you don't know, FrontierBoys is the other channel where we do a lot more like 18th century and primitive stuff. So I'll link it. Be sure to check that out. But we're here in the cabin and we're camping out modern this time. That's why it's on this Merrimack Adventures channel. But we're down here. It's already dark, but it's not too late. It's really cold outside, but the new fireplace is working great. They'd have to add this because the chimney's not done yet to help the smoke draft. As you can see, it's kind of smoking here, but we're getting that fixed. So let's cook some burgers. Yeah?
Let's cook some burgers, yo.
All right, you want to grab her in the pan? It's getting heated up. Throw some burgers in there. Max dropped his phone because these burgers are so good.
Hey, get some more sticks in the back of the fire, man.
Alright, burgers are done, so gonna eat some dinner. We had to cut the burgers in half because we had the wrong buns. But Carter, how is it? Can you chew with your mouth closed?
I'll give it a 12. Sorry, sir. A 12 out of 10.
You're not
Okay.
getting a girlfriend after that.
Here's mine. Again, we had to cut the burgers in half, but perfect. Medium rare. Looks good, though they're on the wrong buns.
I did not cut mine.
I don't know what you did, but as long as it tastes good, right?
It worked.
Let's get the taste test. Taste test. Turn your headlamp on so they can see.
So my headlamp's dead.
No, it ain't.
Keep the money flipping, it's all I know.
They're good. Well, burgers were really good. Completely gone. Not a single bit left. Now, we're going to cook some tater tots. It's using the leftover burger grease and butter we used. Just going to throw some frozen tater tots in there. Kind of pan fry them up. Never done this method for cooking tater tots, but can't imagine it could go too bad. And if it does, the coons will be happy. Oh yeah, we're hungry, so that ought to be good for now.
Sir, we are fat.
Speak for yourselves.
All right, our tater tots turned into hash browns, but they'll still be good, so it's been a good dinner. Hash browns. Not tater tots, but still good. What do you think, Carter?
Huh?
What do you think? Pretty good?
Yeah.
Good night for camping out. Real cold outside, but warm in here by the fire. The lid for the cast iron, definitely the wrong one. It's a little small. So, Carter, plenty smart though. He's gonna, actually I take that back. But either way, he's gonna, figure out how to get some embers on top like a Dutch oven. So hopefully he doesn't, you're grabbing where it's burning.
I can't even feel it though.
Yeah, but you're gonna burn through your gloves.
It's alright.
And he just got it in. All right, dessert tonight is charcoal with some cherries. Charcoal flavored cherries, but that's fine.
It's cooking.
Carter's dessert is
Cooking. Somehow cooking.
boiling. I'm not sure if that's good.
Should we pick it up?
Yeah, test it out. Grab a glove and... That smells amazing.
It's kind of gas, actually.
It does.
Holy moly.
It looks like quite the color. It doesn't look quite done yet, though. But I think it's getting close.
We're going to put it back on there for a little bit.
Yeah.
We'll just make sure you eat in the middle so we don't get any coals.
Nah.
That looks immaculate.
I think it might be done. Try some.
No, it needs some more time.
I don't know. Is it done?
Maybe a couple more minutes.
All right, couple more minutes. Looking good though.
What are we thinking? We think she's done?
I think it's done. Take it off, dude. That looks good.
She smells phenomenal. I'm not
Look at
gonna
that
lie.
burn.
Yeah, it might be a little burned on the edges, but the middle. Is it hot? Take that as a yes. All right, let's try it. Carter's creation. Cherries are a little burnt all around the edges.
Could use more butter.
There you go, make a puppy.
Dog approved.
That's good. Be better if I could eat the cherries. They weren't all burnt, but still good. I approve, Carter. Good job.
Thank you, sir. Gordon Ramsay.
Well, in the cabin, it's pretty late now, and nice and warm with the fire. So we're gonna go to bed. Made a big like pallet on the ground because we're gonna sleep on the loft, but since the chimney's not quite finished yet, it's too smoky up there, so we're gonna sleep down here by the fire. Made a big loft with like a hay bed and some bunch of like blankets and stuff. Kind of turned into a mattress. Carter, how comfy is it?
10 out of 10, honestly. For outdoor sleeping, I give it a 10 out of 10. It's probably going to be the best night's sleep I've ever had in a while.
No bear.
Well, it's real warm in here, so warm we have the door open still. But yeah, so we're gonna go to bed. We'll see you in the morning. Well, we survived the night. Like we said earlier, their chimney isn't finished yet, so it was kind of smoky in there, so we had to limit our fire some. So it got kind of cold throughout the night, but overall we stayed pretty warm. Cabin's pretty insulated. So it'll be a good thing when we get the chimney finished, so we can have the fire roaring and not worry about smoke at all. But overall, it was fun camp out.
10 out of 10.
Thanks for watching,
Thanks for watching.
and join us for our next adventure.